morning dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our GK subject, and in GK subject on page number 38 and 39 our new lesson number 19, that is adventure sport. So let's start our lesson. So in this lesson we are going to learn, here are the pictures and brief descriptions of some adventure sports. Read the clues and name them. So answers are given in clue box, pictures are given, so from pictures also you can give answer. So first one is a balloon with a capacity of 3 to 4 person flies up in the air with the wind to a height of 1000 feet or more. The balloon rises because the hot air inside the balloon is lighter than the cooler air outside and rises upward, pulling the balloon along with it. So answer of first is I, and answer of I is hot air ballooning. Okay, hot air ballooning. Second one, here is the picture. Okay, in here also you can fly, but single person can fly. In this sports, one flies a glider for as long as one wishes. Using air current, the pilot hangs in the middle and maintain control by shifting weight with the help of the airframe. One takes off by running down a hill slope. Okay, so from the hill slope you can fly high. Okay, as long you can, and you can come down. So second answer is E, and answer of second E is hang gliding. Number 3, this sport is combination of two sports. Combination of two sports. This is also one type of flying. So combination of two sports, parachuting and hang gliding. The parachute has wings which remain inflated due to a large number of air-filled cells. It can also be steered in any direction. So you can take in any direction. So answer of 3 is J, and answer of J is given parapenting. Number 4. Okay, here is the picture. So in 4 number also, sorry, this is the picture of 5th. This is a picture of 4th. Okay, one type of flying but in shape of umbrella you can see. Those sports lovers who have passion for sailing in the air at a phenomenal height love this sport. One can sail for 2 to 3 hours in good weather condition. So here is the picture of 4, and answer of 4 is H. So answer of H is given paragliding. Okay, that was hang gliding. Number E second, and this one H is paragliding, that is 4th answer. 5th one, picture. This jumper holds a rope and crosses a barrier. He may jump from an elevated platform and land on an inflatable tube or sand on the ground. So answer is B of 5, and answer of B 5 is Tarzan swing. Like a Tarzan moves from one tree to another tree like that. Okay. Page number 39 we will continue further. In this, see, this is a picture. Okay, picture of a ball. In this sport, one can roll down a hill inside an inflated ball. This sport originated in New Zealand in mid 19th century. The participants are called zorbonauts. Zorbonauts. So name of this answer of 6 is D, and D answer is zorbing. Number 7. Okay, picture it is clear. Climbing mountain. So 7th one is, this sports involves climbing a rock using coordination of hands and feet with the aid of safety equipments. It is prelude to mountain climbing. So answer of 7 is G, and answer of G is rock climbing. Okay, so one type of mountain, not of mud but of rock. So they use with the help of hand and leg to climb this mountain of rock. Number 8. Here is the picture, cycling. Using pedal power, one can move through rough and smooth terrains or warm and wet path to witness the pristine beauty of nature. So answer of 8 is K, and answer of K is cycling on hills. Okay, and now picture of 9th one. It is an age-old snow sport which tests the skill of an individual in moving down a slope, negotiating obstacle in the path. Okay, so that is the negotiation of the path. So I think 9th one is this picture. Okay, skating on ice it is. So name of this 9th answer is F, and answer of F is given snow skiing. Okay, snow skiing. This one is 9th picture question. Okay, from snow king. And next number 10. Okay, this is a picture of 10. Okay, a boat is in the river. Okay, river of the hilly areas provide ample opportunities to people to move on water with current. One has to wear a helmet, life jacket. Okay, so they use for safety helmet, life jacket and other safety devices to ensure safety. An inflatable raft is maneuvered by 4 to 5 people using a rudder. Okay, so this is the picture you can see of number 9 and number 10, and answer of 10 is C, and C is river rafting. Number 11, here is the picture. Okay, one type of skating, but where this one of the most popular snow sport, the natural slope of a snow-clad mountains provide an ideal setting. It was included in the Winter Olympics 1994. Boards are used to slide on the snow. So this is the board. Okay, with the help of board they slide on the snow. So answer of 11 is A, that is snowboarding. So here are your clue box. Okay, answers are here. So finish your textbook exercise and also write in notebook one time. Thank you students. Have a nice day.